What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. It's an automotive brake disc. This is why you should get your brakes at least inspected, maybe every year or every 2 years, depending on your driving conditions and whatnot. Look at the edge. Look at this the side right here. Look how it's got a lip on the end of it. That means the brake pads have completely eaten into the inner part of the brake disc, and then it starts scraping and scrubbing, and you'll hear grinding sounds when you hit the brakes. Sometimes you'll hear it even without pressing the brakes, because the edge of the brake pad is touching right there, even if you're not using your brakes. So these are by far way gone. Just get your brakes inspected every so often. There's plenty of shops out there that will do a free brake inspection for you if you're getting your oil changed or whatnot. So have them look them over and give you, just a general inspection on the thickness of the rotor and the thickness of the pads and whatnot. Like Christian Brothers Automotive, where I work, we do a free brake inspection for you when you're getting other services done. Highly recommend it. Just look at the edge on both sides there. Just horrible. And that the grooves in the middle and all that, that's why you start hearing noises from your braking system. So, just every so often get them inspected. It is definitely worth it, because sometimes you could completely destroy the brake caliper as well, and now you're talking, a ton more money to do the repair, when it could be much cheaper if you just keep up with the basics. Check out my channel. I got all kinds of cool stuff that you might like. Motocross bikes, dirt bikes, Harleys, hot rods, classic cars, working around the house, scooters, golf carts, all kinds of cool stuff. Check out my channel. You might like it. And y'all have a great day. We'll see you.